Bam. Yeah, I don't know Craigie T from T that would have came. We all know that already. Fresh off first. Can't select, no. Can't select. First segment of the Europe tour, I don't know. It was great. Shot up Keynes and everything, when we see them footage, like I want to for them footage. We did a second voicing for Suit Sound System. We mash up Suit Sound System annual show too. What else to do? Where it started? It started in Zurich. We go through Europe, regular Europe thing. I don't know how that go already. We've exhausted talking about that. I don't know how that go already. The reason why I don't see me alone, basically I'm London right now. I'm mash up some works in London. Flex is in New York. I'm mash up some works in New York. Alistair is in, which is Alex, is in Stony Hill. I mash up some works in Stony Hill. I don't know what guy. What's that to do? So you don't know. So I represent the crew. We're leaving tomorrow morning. Stop off in New York, everybody link up in New York, and then we'll go straight to Israel. We'll perform in Israel on the 21st, mad, reggae in the desert. So we and Sentinel Sound System, and of course Kingston always a proud. And you don't know, I'll sing some tune for the Camel them and the Middle Eastern man, and them things the States, so you don't know that I go mad. And then right after that we shot go Belgium, and then we go Miami and mash up some more works, and then we'll come home. And that is it for the touring section, and then finish up the album, cause you don't know, so we're free off a VP, so you don't know, so it feels good to be free, to know that everything that you're making coming into your own pocket is good. So yeah, so mash up the album, finish the album, and scheduled for release early next year. Japan release early next year, that is. So you know, Japanese fans will definitely have that to look out for. After that we're going to shop in Europe, and then we're going to shop in North America, so when we hear the thing soon. So stay tuned, make sure stay tuned, log in and log on to the Facebook page, YouTube page, check out the SoundCloud live streams. Every time we put them up, just follow the movement, because you don't know, it's a movement now, keeping the thing solid as a rock. Boom, forever, T, that, boom.